Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. So, welcome to your computing class. In today's class, basically, we will learn that what is a program and what it is made up of, right? Okay. So, at your level, we will not be go into the much details of it, but yes, we will discuss the things which are important to know at your level, right? So, let's start with a small activity. Let's discuss that how you guys make a plan, how you guys make a program in your daily life. Let's say, have you heard this term before that we have a program to visit our aunt today? We have a program to go to Murray this summer. We have a program to go to Nathia Gali this summer, right? So these are what are basically program. What does it mean by you? Yes, a proper plan for something basically, right? That you make a proper plan which has particular steps, that you will start from this. Let's say up at that time a program or a plan will be including that first this idea come in your mind that let's visit your aunt. Then you will share this plan or this program with your family members, right? Then some of them will agree and some of them will not. Then according to their agreement or disagreement, you will make a plan. Then you will make arrangements accordingly. Let's say if you want to buy a gift for them, you want to take something to their home, then everybody will get themselves ready and you will leave at a proper time. So this it started from when the idea came in your mind and the time when you reach there. So this is the whole plan, and there are particular steps in that. Similarly, like we made programs or plans in our daily life, our computer program also has some specific parts, some specific things which are included in it. And depending on that, the different programs are made and different functions are being included in that, right? Now let's say the different types of programs are being installed in your computers and your laptops as well. Let's say if we talk about this, the scratch, right? This is a program which I opened in front of you in the last class. I'll be opening this in today's class as well. I'll show you. Now this is a program, right? Let me share the screen. Now show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you, okay? So see, this is the screen, this is the scratch page, right? Now this is a program made by somebody, right? Now this program has different or multiple features. Now the features can be, let's say that you can do a lot with this sprite, with this cat. You can let it move, you can make a game from it, you can make pictures over here, different types of art. People can look at your art, people can have a look on it. You can make different changes in it, right? Then people can also make changes and they can give you suggestions about it. Similarly, you can add different sounds in it, you can add different looks in it. And in our last class we also discussed about that there are different types of sprites. Like this cat is over here, there are a lot of other sprites as well. I showed you their picture. I'm going to share the screen again with you, that there are different types of sprites. Some of them are in your book as well. See over here, there these are different types of sprites, right? So these sprites, and there's a huge variety of other as well, and you can design a sprite for yourself as well. So all of these things enable you to do a lot of functions. So this is a program. What I want to show you is that, like we talked about, like we were discussing, that a program is made up of this, a program is made up of that. So this is the scratch is also a program, and what you can do with that, you can do a lot of things with it. So when like we made programs in our daily life, the computer programs are also made according to the proper arrangement, according to the proper plan, according to, and what there is a proper motto behind it. Let's say that what which for what purpose this program will be benefit, right? Or what would be the benefit people will get from it. And then when you want to install that program into your laptop, into your personal computer, so you first go and check its features, right? That what would be the things it will be providing you. So after all of these struggle, it's not 1 day or 2 day activity, it's a huge process, it's a prolonged process. And after all of these things, all of these struggle, a program is made, and then it is checked and rechecked again and again, so that whatever types of problems, whatever types of errors it can come people can come across, they minimize all of them, right? And then finally, after that whole struggle, after checking and rechecking, after minimizing all types of errors, after checking that whether it is working properly or not, then it is available into the market for the local people, for people like us. And then we install those programs in our laptops, in our computers, and then we can do a lot with that. Let's say the video, the different types of videos that you play, different types of cartoons or things that you watch on your laptops, there are different types of programs or multimedias and players which are installed in your laptop, in your computer, which enable you to watch these things, right? Similarly, in order to play a game, bought a CD for it from the market, and then you install it. So that is also a program. A game is also a program which enables you to play that, to have an access over that, right? So all of these things are computer programs, and there is a prolonged processing behind that, and then it comes available to you for the normal use, right? Now, what is your class activity? That I want you to open your notebooks and imagine that you get a chance to design a sprite for you, right? So what, how would it look like? Yes, imagine that you get a chance and you want to design a sprite. So how it would look like, what would be the whether it would be the picture of some animal, a cartoon, you can design, and it can be yours idea. So just draw it, color it beautifully, and then show it to me. Hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, show it to me one by one. Very well done, class. That was all for today. Do revise the lecture at your home. Share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.